Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about file handling in PHP. File handling in PHP enables users to manage files by performing actions like reading, writing, and deleting data. PHP offers a range of functions dedicated to file handling, simplifying the process of file manipulation on the server. This functionality is crucial for activities like generating logs, managing user information, and facilitating file uploads. For instance, a website might utilize PHP file handling to log user interactions, store user profile data in text files, or handle the uploading and storage of images or documents from users. This robust capability in PHP streamlines file management tasks for web developers and application creators. When working with files in PHP, you can utilize the fopen function to open a file. This function requires two parameters, the file name and the mode in which you want to open the file, such as R for reading, W for writing, or A for appending. For instance, to open a file named example.txt for reading, you can use file equal fopen example.txtr. It is essential to remember to close the file after you have finished using it. This can be done by employing the fclose function, which takes the file handle, in this case file, as its parameter. For example, you can close the file example.txt by using fclose file. By following this simple process of opening and closing files in PHP, you can effectively manage file operations within your applications or scripts. To read the contents of a file in PHP, you can utilize functions such as fread, fgets, or fileGetContents. The fread function reads a specified number of bytes from a file, for instance, content equals fread file size example.txt. On the other hand, fgets reads a single line from the file each time it is called, like so, line fgets file. Lastly, fileGetContents fetches the entire file contents as a string, as shown in this example. Content fileGetContents. When working with files in PHP, you can use functions like fwrite and fileputContents to write data to a file. An example using fwrite, f equal fopen example.txtw, fwrite f hello world. An example using fileputContents, fileputContents example.txt hello world. These functions allow you to write content to a file in different ways, such as appending to an existing file or overwriting its contents. In PHP, the fileExists function is utilized to verify the existence of a file. By supplying the file path as the function parameter, it returns a Boolean value. For instance, when using if fileExists example.txt, if the file named example.txt exists in the specified location, it will output fileExists. Conversely, if the file does not exist, it will output file does not exist. This function is beneficial for validating file existence before performing any file operations to prevent errors. File handling in web applications facilitates the logging of user activities like login attempts using text files. In the presented Python snippet, an open function creates or opens an existing logs.txt file with a mode for appending. Subsequently, the write function logs the user login event, including the timestamp obtained from the datetime module. Lastly, the close function terminates the file operation, ensuring proper handling. This approach is pivotal for tracking and analyzing user interactions, system performance, and identifying potential issues or security breaches. File handling plays a vital role in managing file uploads within a web application. Functions like moveUploadedFile in PHP facilitate the relocation of uploaded files to a specified directory. Likewise, in Python, the code snippet provided exemplifies employing moveUploadedFile to transfer a file to a designated uploads folder if the uploaded file error status is 0. This process ensures that user-uploaded files are efficiently managed in a secure and controlled manner within the application. Think of file handling in PHP like organizing and managing a filing cabinet in an office. Just like in a filing cabinet, you can create, edit, read, and delete files in PHP. Each file is like a document that can be accessed and manipulated by the PHP program. You can think of PHP functions like fopen, fwrite, fread, and fclose as tools to open, read, and close files in the filing cabinet. By using these functions effectively, you can efficiently manage and handle files in PHP, similar to how you would manage documents in a filing cabinet. Hey, Code Conquerors, ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, Showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. This PHP program showcases the concept of file handling using the analogy of a filing cabinet. 1. We open a file named documents.txt in the filing cabinet by using the fopen function with the mode W for writing. 2. After successfully opening the file, we write content to it using the fwrite function. In this case, we write two documents, one about file handling in PHP and the other a generic example named analogy.txt example. 3. Once the content is written, we close the file using fclose, ensuring that the file is properly saved and closed. 4. Next, we reopen the file in read mode R to access its content. Similar to opening a drawer to read a document in a filing cabinet, we read and display the content of the file line by line using fgets within a while loop. 5. After reading the content, we close the file again to release system resources. 6. Finally, we demonstrate deleting a file using unlink to remove the documents.txt file from the system. In a real-world scenario, this file handling concept can be used in applications like storing and retrieving user-generated content in a text file, for example, saving user preferences settings, logging application events or data to a file for debugging and analysis purposes, processing and parsing data from external files or APIs, like importing data from a CSV file for further processing. One common industrial example of file handling in PHP is in e-commerce applications. When a customer places an order, the order details such as products bought, quantities, prices, and customer information are stored in files or databases. PHP file handling is used to create, write, read, and update these order files for processing and tracking orders efficiently. Another real-world application of file handling in PHP is in content management systems, CMS. When users create, edit, or delete content on a website, the changes are stored in files or a database. PHP file handling is used to manage these content files effectively, allowing users to update and retrieve content seamlessly. File handling in PHP is integral to various industries across the globe, facilitating efficient data storage, retrieval, and management processes. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.